guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. And I've heard people say that before, and I was like, oh, that sounds so cliche. It's facts. It's facts. Everybody cannot go on your journey with you. That's why you need to be in the room where it's happening. If you're a Hamilton fan, you know the room where it happens. Room where it happens. I want to be in the room where it happens. Right? You want to be in the room with like-minded people. That's why you can't pay for the coaching that we provide. There's no way you could pay for it. You cannot afford me, any other coach, every single week for $27 or $47 a month. You cannot. That's just facts. That's just facts. But in addition to the live coaching you get every single week, you have your courses. So you cannot wait for others to co-sign you and say, girl, you got this. I'm going to support you in your dream. They don't got a dream. I don't have a dream. So how you got a dream? The audacity. Who you think you are? You better than everybody else? Oh, you gonna have a business? You gonna be a business owner? You think you're a business boss? You gonna be an entrepreneur? Yes, honey. People hate. They hate. And that's what Jeffrey always tells me. That's what I was going with earlier. He said, Kim, people can only tell you what based anything. People can only tell you any suggestions or anything based on their own experience. As far as they have gone, as far as they are willing to go. So you could ask me, Coach Kimmi, something regarding being an entrepreneur, and I'm going to be like, it's the best thing ever. It changed my life, right? Because I've been successful at doing it. But if you ask another entrepreneur who's not been successful, they're going to just only give you the negative. Girl, I work harder than I did when I was at my job, which is true. They're not lying. But it's all in perspective. They're not lying, because I work harder now than I did when I worked at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. At Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, at my last job I would walk around with my earbuds on, making my notary appointments. Hey, Mr. Smith, how you doing? Just talking to my patients, right? And their parents and all that. The job was called Family Experience. So, but it's all in perspective and who you hang out with. You will become who you walk with. That's true. What they say, show me who you hang out with, now show you who you are. If you hang out with people that are not business owners, it's a whole different mindset. You hang out with notary educators, business success, okay? We got business bosses in progress. Okay, everybody's at a different level. Everybody's at a different level. Some people are already got their business fully maximized. They got their Google page. They making things happen, moving and shaking, right? But other people are just starting out. Oh, wow, I got to get an EIN. I got to get my LLC. But guess what? We're all moving in the same direction. The same direction. And that's going up. Okay? That's going up. All right. Let's see. The next one we got, again, Carmen is saying fear of failure. We ain't even start yet. We ain't failed. We're not failing over here. If you do your part, we got you. There's no failing. There's no failing. We're going to get rid of the fear. The fear should be of not starting, because you got somebody to help you. I can see if you got to walk this journey by yourself, it's like, oh, man, now what I'm going to do? I ain't got nobody to go with me. You got somebody to go with you. You got a whole team and you got a whole community with an entry point of $27 or $47. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's stop the excuses. Let's stop the excuses. And this is not a beat down session. If you're really not ready, that's why I keep saying, if you're not ready, you're not ready. But if you really got that burning, non-feeling in your heart that, you know what, I want to be a business owner. I am ready to get out here and do what I have to do. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Carmen says she's in her own way. And typically that's what's happening. Even if you ain't got nobody around you being negative, we looking in the mirror, it's like, well, even starting my YouTube channel, being fully transparent. And yeah, I know I got something else coming called Creators Club with Kimmi, right? So I went from not wanting to start my YouTube channel because I'm like, oh, I had some cheese yesterday, guys, and it's killing my whatever mucus and stuff. It was in some macaroni and cheese. But anyway, really quick, I got a story about that too. But anyway, when I was starting my YouTube channel, I was like, everybody's younger. These people, everybody were at the same look, right? They all got this long hair and these faux wigs, and ain't nothing wrong with none of that. Nothing wrong with none of that. It's beautiful. It's just not for me because I'm lazy. I don't want to do all that. I want to wear my curls when I want to. Or I just want to put up a ponytail, but I'm looking at everybody, they got full makeup on every time they come on the screen, like they went to the a makeup shop or whatever. You know, full-blown nails. Okay, so I'm looking at myself and comparing myself. I'm like, oh man, I'm like, well, how do I speak? I know I don't have any college, but you know, how do I speak? I know sometimes people say I sound like I'm Southern. I'm from up north. I got a whole hood thing going on sometimes. You know, I'm like, everything, right? You're just judging myself and comparing myself to other people. And then one day I was like, you know what? To heck with it. I got something to say. I'm going to say it. And now I got over 20,000 people here on this YouTube channel. Almost 4,000 on my TikTok. Not even trying over there, but they follow me. Okay, Facebook group, 11,000 people. I got something to say. You got something to say. And that's another reason why Creators Club with Kimmi is coming. It's coming hard and fast, y'all. Because a lot of y'all got something to say, but you just don't have nobody help you to execute it. You don't have nobody help you get it across the finish line. And that's what I do. I'm a closer. Okay? I get it done. If you want to work with me, we'll get it done. So you're not by yourself, and get out of your own way. I got out of my way and the sky opened and I ain't looked back. So I went from not wanting to have any YouTube channel at all because I was scared, looking at myself, comparing myself. How do I speak? I'm overweight, I even got a weight channel. The thing that you think is keeping you back, because my mother used to say, close your mouth, son. Why you let that gap show so much? Well, it's there. It's mine. What I'm going to do with it? Look. It's my gap. You know? Now, that could have made me say, you know what? My mother's right. Let me keep my mouth closed. No. Some people love my gap. Some people hate it. Okay? There are cultures where it's like, oh, you got a gap. That's cute. And other people like, girl, I would close that so fast and make your head spin. Why you ain't never get braces? Why you ain't pay for it? That's my Detroit side. Don't take me there. Do not. But my point is, do you. Do you. People are not going to always support you. They are not. They are not. If anything, they're jealous of you because you're an inspiration and they don't know how to put the words together to say, girl, sis, you doing it. I wish I was more like you. You're doing amazing. Show me how to do it. Nuh-uh. Never that. Oh, she thinks she all that. I don't think I'm all that. You think I'm all that. You think that. I never said that. If anything, I always try to help people. I have been shaded. Not everybody, but there are a few people that I know for a fact is straight up jealous. There's no other word to put there. I've always been a go-getter. Always, 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 always. I used to sell Princess House. If you're not familiar, it's a, let me show y'all up here. I'm going to flip the camera. You can see up there in my cabinet, those goblets. I used to sell Princess House. And that was in the 90s. I've always been a go-getter. I tried Avon. Not hard, though. Not hard. One of my friends wanted me to sell Avon. I could sell in my sleep, but I don't sell junk. Even when I worked at the bank, I was number one salesperson. I even won trips. Okay, a trip. Let me take that back. Trips, a trip plus a lot of gifts. Let me be clear. But the key is because I love people and I'm not selling you no junk. Even in my own business right now, my notary business success, could we be bigger? Yeah, we could. We could. But if something's wrong with your course and you can't access it, I ain't outsourcing that. I call you back.